Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 4K Car Dvr. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Lingdu 4K Dual Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Lingdu. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Interface, Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF. Chipset manufacturer, MStar. Frames per second, 25. Color, black. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 800 grams. Number 3 on our list is HP Dashcam F969X. Specifications: brand name, HP. Aperture, f1.8. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 140. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 800 mega. Interface, USB 2.0. Assembly mode, hidden type. Chipset manufacturer, MStar. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 101 grams. Number 2 on our list is AZDOME M550 Pro. Specifications: brand name, AZDOME. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, AVN, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.35 kilograms. Number 1 on our list is 70mm 4K Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.8. Battery capacity, 500 mAh. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Battery, built-in. Frames per second, 60. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.4 kilograms.